I am in love.
It's so pretty. I'm back with another Wavy Talk tool, and this is their 5-in-1 hot air brush. It comes with the blow drying nozzle. It comes with a diffuser, a paddle brush, and then 2 different round brushes. This one, and then this one, which I think I will use.
I am in love, guys. Wavy Talk never misses. 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. My hair is so soft, so smooth, and so shiny. I'll link the cart below if you guys are interested. I believe it's on sale right now, so hurry up and grab it before it goes back to full price.